Hi there, I'm Phil from Mead. I'm going to show you how to create your free loyalty program on Mead and be able to recruit your first member in just a few minutes. Now you'll need to go to our website, meadloyalty.com, and from there press any of the get started buttons and it'll take you straight to portal.meadloyalty.com, which is the application area where you create and manage your program and all the campaigns that you run on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click sign up for free, and I'm going to create a account phil at deliciousrestaurant.online. Now this is not an email address I actually use, so no need to contact me on it, but we've created a restaurant that I'll show you in a second, a not real restaurant, which we're going to use as the basis for our demo account. So let's just do this. Now what will happen is I will be sent a one-time password by email. There we go. And that password is 2709. And make sure I go to the right page, 2709. Next step. It's asking my organization name. Now, if you have just one business, your organization name, the account name, the business that you're creating the account for might be the same. But you might, for example, have a company and have a number of businesses with different names. This would be the top name. This is the actual business that owns the loyalty program. Now, in my case, I just have one. So I'm just going to say Delicious Restaurant. And then next step. Okay. So I'm Phil, I'm logged in. It's now going to ask me to create my loyalty program. So before we get started, just to let you know, you'll need three assets: a logo, which will be cropped to a square, an image, which is about 3 across by 1 down, which you'll upload for your Apple and Google Pass, and then another image, square, which is used for generating posters such as recruitment posters, etc. We'll talk more about that later. But for now, why don't we just fill this in? So I'm going to call my loyalty program Delicious, for Delicious Restaurant. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Delicious Restaurant website. I'm going to click about, and I'm just going to grab this little bit of text here so it's consistent, and use that to introduce the business. My industry is of course going to be food and beverages. Now I have one location, so I'm going to enter that first location, and this is for Delicious Restaurant, and the location label is going to be, well, let's have a look at the map, which is down here, and I believe I'm somewhere in Melbourne. Yes, I'm in Melbourne, so we're going to call it the Melbourne. So this is not a real restaurant, we just picked Australia because we like Australia. Melbourne. And the address I literally copied from my website, which is see, where's the address gone? Here we go, 456. Command C. So it's very, very easy. You can just copy and paste stuff. Now I'm going to upload the logo for Delicious Restaurant, which I have ready to go here. See, it's cropped to a square. And then I'm going to save that. Now, for the actual program itself, and I'm going to upload the logo again. Now, I have one location, but for example, you may want to have a logo for your actual loyalty program, but you may have different businesses with different names, which is fine. You can just upload the right logo, and if it happens to be the same one for both the loyalty program and the business, then just upload it twice. It's just to give you the flexibility you need. Now, the hero image for my Apple Google Pass I'm going to upload, and I created one here, and I just basically want to get the name of the restaurant in there. And then an image for generating the poster, which I have ready here, and it's going to be cropped to square. I'll just move that a little bit like that. And there we have our three images. Now, the other thing, you notice the restaurant, we tend to use this sort of yellow color. Now I'm using that for the logo, so my other color is going to be, let's see, what is my other color? Let's go with black. Actually, let's go with black. Pick the right one. Okay, really, actually let's just go with charcoal grey, I think. Okay. Right, so we have our colour. Right, that's it. I've given it a name. I've given it some introductory text. I've chosen food and beverages. I've given it its first location. We can see here the first location, which I've labelled Melbourne. I've uploaded the logo for the loyalty program. I've uploaded the image for Apple and Google, and I've uploaded an image for generating recruitment posters. I've set the color. I'm now just going to create loyalty program. The answer is yes. And immediately you'll see it generates this QR code. And then what we're going to do is we're going to swap to our phone. So I'm on my phone. And I'm just going to fire my camera, and I'm going to point it at the QR code and tap, and you'll see that I instantly get my membership. Welcome to Delicious. So I'm going to add it to my Apple Wallet. Add. And then in here you'll see here's my membership. When we create campaigns in the future, they will be here. And if I double tap the side of my Apple phone, I will find my Delicious membership card right here, which I show to you when you want to scan my card for me to earn or redeem rewards, something we'll cover later. So that's it. That is how easy it is to create a loyalty program and get your first member in just a few minutes.